So, in case you don't know, these two websites are like the most opposite perspective, okay? This is Huffington Post, which is like all the liberal bloggers. It's the liberal blogosphere. This is Drudge, which is like sort of like neocon, like low key, sometimes alt right blogosphere. Okay, they never agree about anything. They both agree that the Democrats are going to replace Biden. Since the debate, a full quarter of the market for people betting that Biden will be the next president, a full quarter of those people have moved to Newsom, who was not even on the list this morning. Okay? Some people have been asking why Newsom, and it's because Newsom has spent the last year making sure he is the person when this inevitably happens. Because, like me, a lot of people have been saying this is what's going to happen, and when it does, he wanted to be the person who was the obvious choice. That's why he's been debating the people who Biden should have been debating, because Biden can't talk for more than 20 minutes for over a year now. Over a year now, right? And so Newsom has been working very hard to make sure he is the obvious choice, and it's obvious that it would be Newsom. There's no one else it could be. That's why the betting markets are all betting that it's going to be Newsom. This person says, what's the process for changing the candidate at this point? We've already had the primaries. So no, we have not had the primaries. And the primaries are actually not real. That's just sort of like a fun game we play. The party picks the candidates at the convention. The convention happens in August. Biden is not the candidate. Biden has not been the candidate. Biden is the presumptive candidate, because typically when someone is an incumbent, they get to run again if they want to. But that isn't made official until the convention, which is in August. And so the only thing that really changes today is that we stop assuming he's going to be the candidate. And there wasn't a primary, but the primaries don't matter anyway. It doesn't matter what people vote for in the primaries. The party picks whoever they want to pick. So it doesn't matter. And we didn't already have the primary. There wasn't a primary. That's the reason the events of tonight happened, because the DNC chose to run this senile person who hasn't been able to talk for more than 20 minutes in over a year, and everyone was predicting exactly what happened tonight. And so here we are. The DNC caused this by not having a primary. And if they had a primary, it probably would have been Newsom. And now for the convention, they're probably going to pick Newsom.